Welcome. Welcome to your planet, your home. When you grow up, you will share this planet with more than 9 billion people. And all of them, like you, will need safe, nutritious food, a healthy environment, and opportunities to learn, grow, and earn a living, so that everyone can live peaceful and productive lives, provide for their families, and thrive. Sustaining the lives of 9 billion people without destroying the environment will not be easy, and the devastating effects of climate change will make it even harder. But some of the world's greatest scientists are already thinking ahead to the challenges you'll face, and they are working to shape a better world for you and for your children. They are achieving major breakthroughs and spurring innovations. Hardy crops that can grow in the worst conditions. They are pushing the frontiers of science so that crops can better exploit the sun's energy to produce much more food with less water. Soils can absorb greenhouse gases that cause global warming, and livestock can fend off deadly diseases. But many challenges are too complex, widespread, and urgent for scientists to solve on their own. They are teaming up with rural communities and local and global businesses, collaborating with policymakers and NGOs, developing new animal vaccines as well as fish that can grow bigger and faster, and getting the fruits of science into the hands of farmers, fishers, and forest dwellers from around the world. They are part of a vast network of governments and women's groups that are empowering the mothers and grandmothers who are the backbone of societies in all corners of our globe. A network with decades of experience, experts in over 100 countries, and a proven record of helping those most in need while protecting the planet, so that no one will have to live in hunger or poverty, or lack economic opportunity, and everyone in industrialized and developing nations alike can feed and nourish their children, send them to school, and live in a safe, secure, and prosperous world. And that is fortunate, because investing in science and innovation today is the best way to secure your future tomorrow.